Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to share 8 expert garden hacks that will transform your gardening experience. These tips use everyday items to help your plants thrive. Let's dive in. Eggshell fertilizer. Eggshells are a fantastic source of calcium, which strengthens plant cell walls. Crush the shells into small pieces, soak them in water overnight, and use the water to water your plants. You can also sprinkle the crushed shells directly into the soil to deter pests like slugs. Coffee grounds. Used coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, a key nutrient for plant growth. They also improve soil structure and help repel pests like ants and slugs. Simply sprinkle the grounds around your plants or mix them into the compost. Avocado seed magic. Did you know you can grow an avocado tree from a seed? After enjoying your avocado, clean the pit, pierce it with toothpicks, and suspend it over water with the pointed end up. Once roots and a sprout appear, plant it in a pot with well-drained soil. Egg carton greenhouses. Don't throw away those egg cartons. They make excellent mini greenhouses for starting seedlings. Fill each cup with soil, plant your seeds, and cover with plastic wrap to create a warm, moist environment. Once the seedlings are big enough, you can transplant them into your garden. Newspaper seedlings. Instead of buying seedling pots, use old newspapers to make biodegradable seed starters. Roll the paper into small pots, fill with soil, and plant your seeds. When it's time to transplant, you can plant the whole paper pot into the ground. It will decompose naturally. Reflective light boost. Maximize sunlight for your indoor plants by placing a mirror behind them. The mirror reflects additional light onto the plants, helping them grow faster and stronger, especially in low-light conditions. DIY fruit fly trap. Keep fruit flies at bay with a simple trap. Fill a small bowl with apple cider vinegar. Add a few drops of dish soap and leave it near your plants. The soap breaks the surface tension of the vinegar, trapping the flies. Banana peel fertilizer. Banana peels are packed with potassium, an essential nutrient for plant health. Cut the peels into small pieces and bury them around the base of your plants. As they decompose, they release nutrients that help your plants grow. These garden hacks are simple yet effective ways to enhance your gardening experience. Give them a try and watch your garden flourish. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your own hacks in the comments below. Happy gardening!